Okay, let's start. Hi, this is Sachin Vairkar. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up MySQL replication, the basic one, which is asynchronous replication. We can have one master and one or more slave servers. The lab setup which I have contains two nodes, one of which is node 1, which will be acting as master, and node 2 is acting as a slave. Uh, Master is 192.168.10.11 and slave is 192.168.10.12. So let's do the party session. Let's start with the MySQL Server installation. I have this node 1 and node 2 are Ubuntu trusty servers. So use apt-get. Let's find out what packages are available. Application search, MySQL Server. So we have 5.5 and 5.6. We have MariaDB. Okay, I'll let apt-get decide the package version it's going to install. Apt-get install MySQL server. So this is installing MySQL 5.5, MySQL Server 5.5, and MySQL client as well. Let's say yes. This will ask me for MySQL root user password. Okay, same thing I'm gonna do on node 2. Okay, we are done. So this will start the MySQL service running on port 3306. Okay, so we'll stop the service MySQL stop. Okay, now we'll set up this node 1 as the master. We'll go to the configuration file /etc MySQL, and here is the configuration file my.cnf. I'll make a copy of it to .rig. So if we have any issues, I can revert back to it. My.cnf. So I'll need to assign a unique server ID and the log bin. So let's do that. For master, I'm assigning ID as 1 and log bin. There's one more option we need to change is the bind address. So it should be listening to all addresses. Otherwise, this will be a local installation. Okay, once that is done, I'll have to start the MySQL service. Started service MySQL start. Okay, so this is done. Now on node 2 as well, I'll stop the service MySQL stop. MySQL, and let me copy configuration here as well. My.cnf to my.cnf back, and my.cnf here. We'll just remove this bind address. Make it to on, and we'll assign a unique server ID to here. Server-ID, I mark it as 2, and I'm going to start this service. Okay, so now I'll have to create a replication user on the master server, which is nothing but node 1. For that, I'll log into MySQL using the root user which we have created at the time of installation. And I'm at the MySQL prompt. I have the commands created over here. So I'm going to create a user repl at the rate this is node 2 IP address, and this is the password I'm going to use. So user is created, and I'm going to give replication slave privileges to this user. That is also done. And I'm going to check the master status. So this is the log bin, and this is the position which we will need to specify in slave so that it will start the replication. I'll log in here -u root -p using the password I have created at the time of installation. Okay, so we're here. Real quick, what I can do is let me try to connect using this user to the server. I have MySQL client installed, so I can check MySQL-8 when I do at 168.100.11. It's the node one. My user is REPL, and my password. Okay. Okay. I was entering the wrong password, so here it is. Okay, so let me exit and log into the node 2 slave database. Okay, so now I need to mark the slave, and I'll need to specify the master server for that. So I need to use this change master to, then it is master host, master user, master password. So master user is, master host is node 1, which is 11. Master user is this. Master password is this. Log bin file name is the one which we have checked on node 1. So it is MySQL-bin 0001 and position is 359. So position is 359 and we are done. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna exit and I'm gonna restart the MySQL service. Okay, and let's log in. So we have configured the slave. So now let's see the databases available over here. These are the databases. Let me create a database. Create database. Create contacts. I'm gonna use name worker 50 and number worker 11. And it is created. Let me insert some values. So let's just see that whether it is modified. Yep, we have the drive database created on this slave here. Let me check the drive. Okay, show tables. One table. Let me describe contacts. Okay, so this is the oh, this is typo. Okay, let it be. So we have created a table and it shows, but we have not added any entry in the table. Select start from contacts. Contacts. There's nothing. So let's put some values in that. Contacts. My name and my number. That's typo. Contacts. Oh, and I'm done. Let me check. So select star from contacts. And we have this value. check the same slave, and we have that value. So we have done the master slave replication. That's it. Looks like this, and